Hey guys, it's Marlon with another unboxing video. And this time I have a guitar that I ordered from Sweetwater, and it's been a while, and so I'm not quite sure what it is, but I think it may be a Squier Mustang. So let me get my trusty bayonet out here and let's open it up and see what we've got. Looks like we got a manual here and a wrench. Let's unwrap this baby and see what we've got. Okay, well, it looks like it was a Mustang after all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tune it up and hook it up to the amplifier, and let's see how this baby sounds. After unpacking the guitar, we noticed that one of the pickups was loose, so we had to take off the pickguard and reinstall that. And anyway, I went ahead and tuned it up. And the other thing we noticed is that Sweetwater didn't send us any candy this time, so I'm a little disappointed. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate the pickups. I'm going to start with the bridge pickup, do the middle position, then a neck pickup, and let you see how it sounds. So here we go. Now let's have a little bit of fun with this and see what this guitar will do. Okay, this is an inexpensive guitar, and I'm going to make some modifications to it, but what I'd like you to do in the comment section below, make some suggestions as to what modifications you think I should make on this guitar. Anyway, please hit the subscribe and like button, and we'll see you in the next video.